Okay, hello and welcome in part 2 of making a 3D map. So what we're going to do, we're going to start Epic Games, click on Library and go to Prototype 5.4, the one we have just created. Yes, perfect. Takes. Yes, if we click on Play here, we click on Home, everything should work fine. We can take a look around. Everything works perfectly. Let's set the settings of this one a bit lower. Click on this. Click on Cesium georeference. Go to height, origin height, and change it in 200. It should do. Perfect. And if we click on play now, click on home, it's now 200. We can scroll through our 3D world. We can change the time over here, for instance, 7 o'clock. And in the evening, beautiful. Looks perfect. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to change the menu. If we change the menu, we click on Content Drawer. We click here, Archviz Explorer. We click on Blueprints over here. We click on Widgets. And we're going to Master Menu Widget over here. We double click it. We see here the content, home, gallery, surroundings, amenities, unit search. We're going to delete all of them except of home and surroundings. So I'm going to delete this one, delete this one, this one, this one. You can do that by clicking delete. And then this one we are going to duplicate. That's size box, duplicate the size box, and then we have it over here, create some space in between, and then we're done. Perfect. Okay, let's just also delete the icons over here, surroundings, perfect. And then we're going to alter the text. So first of all, I'm going to name this as, for instance, restaurants. These will be called shops. And this will be, for instance, be called sites. Okay, good. Everything works. And now we're going to check if it works. There will be a lot of errors, so we click on here. This one we can delete this stuff. This is a blueprint, very difficult. This one can also be gone. And here there are indeed errors. Delete, delete, delete. This one over there, there. Break this link, remove set element, remove and remove. Compile, done. Save it. Play. And restaurants, shops, sites. Restaurants here, shops. It's not working, but we're going to make it work. And now we are going to add some stuff over here. Okay, let's do that. Click on Content Drawer again. Go to the Master Menu widget. This is fine, everything. Good, good. We're going to surroundings, BP surroundings. BP stands for blueprint, the blueprint of the surroundings. So it's actually the blueprint that will be opened when I click on surroundings, and I have changed that into restaurants. Let's open it. We see here 5 lists. We are going to make 3 of it by clicking on it and click delete. This one we are going to change in, for instance, Wageningen. This will be our actor. This will be Ede restaurants. Ede. This will be called Ede. And this will be called Benenko. Perfect. We're going to change this in sustainable restaurants. Done. Let's see if it works. Look, perfect. It works. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add some restaurants, and I'm going to add a restaurant which is here. It's called Hotel De Wereld. The capitulation has been signed over there, so we're going to add some photos. We're going to add some description of Hotel De Wereld, and then if we click here, we are going to the camera will automatically move towards the restaurant of Hotel De Wereld. Perfect. Okay. Surrounding widget. The color also I want to change. Restaurants, I will make them blue. Here, blue. Blue. Approximately the same color. And this is also be blue. Blue, 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 blue. Compile. Blue, blue, blue. Perfect. Okay. Next step would be to create a blueprint. Go to Content Drawer, Archviz Explorer, Blueprints, and then I'm going to add BP, P point of interest. Insert it. This goes much too fast. Yes. Put it on. Yes, perfect. We're going to enlarge it a bit. It's too big. Here. 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 Yes. Okay. All right. So it can be a bit bigger. Let's move it a bit. Okay. Let's just change the color of it. And then we have to go point of interest info struct. We're going to name it as Hotel De Wereld. This is Hotel De Wereld in Wageningen. We're going to add some more. So what we're going to do is we're going to there. We're going to history, then for instance This is Dutch, by the way. Go to translate. And then we're gonna add some more. Perfect. Yes. Copy it. You can also do this. The color will be blue. Obviously, it's blue. And we're gonna add an icon. There are icons over here as well. So what I will do is I go to here, go to Textures, Archviz Explorer Textures, User Interface, Icons. This is a restaurant. This is quite a nice one, so I'm gonna add that one. I'm gonna add a preview image. Yes, I like this one. Just we'll this, save it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import it. For instance, I'm gonna add this stuff. Yeah, that should be fine. I'm gonna add this as a preview image. And I'm going to add some photos. You can add photos over here at media. Open it. Give it a proper name. Exterior. For instance, this one. Add something else. For instance, past. For instance, I do have imported something already. And then if we click here, play restaurants, it doesn't pop up because now we're going to add an actor to it. Go to here, all the way down at advanced, the same blueprint as this one. This one should be surroundings. The first one should always be the index 0 should be surroundings. And the second one should be the name we have given it in our blueprint. Perfect. If I click here, click on restaurants now, still doesn't pop up. How did I make it? How did I name it? To here, BP surroundings, restaurants. If I change this here, now it should open there. Yes, perfect. Right, media gallery, everything works perfect, smooth. So, what if I'm going to add another one, for instance, in Ada? We can do that. You go here, here, and here. Sorry. We create a folder. This one should be there. Archviz Explorer. Good. This one should also be there. And let's create a Cesium folder. This edit, rename. Yeah. Good. And here, create a subfolder. We call it restaurants. Move it in there. Create a subfolder. Wageningen. Put it in there. And here we are, create a different folder, call it Ada. And we are going to put that one over there. And if I just click on it, and I change this all the way down into Ada. Ada. This is not Ada, let's move it to Ada, which is over there. And for instance, here is a pizzeria. Yes, for instance, over there, in the city center of Ada, or for instance, if here was a pizzeria, then you can change it. Go here, name it and delicious pizza. And then, for instance, you can reset this to 0, none, 0 elements. For instance, you have here pizzeria. So let's just start for yes. So I'm gonna just download this. Perfect. Archviz Explorer, textures. Bits, this one. Yeah. There we have this one. Perfect, delicious pizza with a beautiful thing. For instance, if there was a pizzeria, you can go to Hotel de Wereld, pizzeria, look around, play with the cursor. This one, the north arrow, also changes when you alter it. Good. So, now, what if we have more and different submenus? Well, let's create them. We have already created the buttons over here, for instance shops and sites, but they do not properly work. Now we want to make them work properly. What we do is we go to Archviz Explorer, Blueprints, Widgets, Master Menu Widget. We're going to click on Graph. What we see here is our graph of our source code. We are going to copy this. Copy, paste. I have copied custom event of surroundings, the one that fires when I click here on restaurant. Now we're going to make the same, but then for sites and for shops. Open it, go to here, go all the way down and click on clicked. This one will go there, unclicked but surroundings. This one should be gone. This one should also be gone. This should also be gone. And button surroundings 1. Get button surroundings 1. If I click on sites, this one will fire. But now I am going to content drawer, master menu widget, content drawer, and I'm going to slide. I'm going to duplicate the BP surroundings. That's over here. I'm going to rename it to BP sites. And I'm going to add this to the widgets switcher. This one will go there. That's over there. That's over here. Perfect. Click on is variable. First, we will go and alter the sustainable restaurants, the sites, because now it's exactly the same as the surroundings or the restaurants. We can rename this actually, makes it even better. Restaurants, perfect. And restaurants and sites. Edit BP sites. We're gonna Wagen, sites, Wageningen, sites, Ede, sites, Bennekom. Let's change this in sites. We're going to go for the color of green. All right, done. Now I'm going back to the master menu widget, click on graph, and now I am going to look for BP sites. It's over here. BP sites. All right. Oh, I changed it in shops. Oh, I renamed it wrong. It's my apologies. I will change it now. Let's just first rename this one. Sites, not sites, shops. Shops, it should be doable. Open it. Should be shops. Done. Perfect. Yeah, let's edit over there. And we should also edit that, of course. Shops, Bennekom. Yeah. Done. Okay. Yeah. And now for our last part, we are going to add something. Just shops. Let's put it somewhere at the church. So there. Yeah, it looks fine. Yeah, it's a bit high. It should be fine. Shops. Yeah. Shops, create subfolder, of course, Wageningen. Let's put it in here. Yeah, good. Let's alter the color a bit of everything. This should be a different icon. Go to Archviz textures, user interface icon. Let's change it to this. You can shop here, so it's nice. Let's change the color to yellow. Yeah. No, not yellow. It should be a bit like this. That is better. You can see it better. Okay. This one should not be there. Let's create a shop. For instance, shop vegetables. Let's put this. For instance, this one. Fetch one. Just go there. For instance, you can add whatever you want. Oh, it's a web. That's unfortunately not possible. It's an if, it's also not possible. Yeah, fetch one. This one should be possible. Yes, let's do that. Yeah. All right. Good. This one should be under shops Wageningen. This everything went correct. Oh yeah, and you should also rename it. Let's rename it now. Shop Wageningen. Shop to buy. Shop to buy local products. Footer. You can add the source over here. Source www.vegetables.com, for instance, if that's a site. Go to shops. Shop Wageningen. It's yellow. Let's also alter these colors a bit to Wageningen even binnenkom. Yes. Go to content drawer, textures, Archviz Explorer, blueprints, widgets, shops. Make it a bit like this. That is always good. Yeah. Okay. Done. Compile. Take a look. Yeah, sure. It works. Shop Wageningen. Shopped by local. Oh yeah, you can also change the media gallery if you want. And Hotel de Wereld. Choose. Perfect with some pictures. And some edit. Info, you can add a source, which we did at shops, for instance. At the footer, source is already beautiful over there. All right. You can have to do exactly the same for sites, and then you can add an extra menu to it. Just follow the exact same steps which I took at shops to create an extra one. And now, oh yeah. There was indeed what I should do now. This error as we go to master menu widget. We go to the graph. The last part which we need now is to add this. The button surroundings is now button surroundings 1. Add pin. Good. You can rename this the button surroundings by going here, go to the master menu widget, click on the shops, and you can just rename it button shops. Done. And then here, button surroundings, this one of sites, we can, for instance, rename it to sites, and that's it. Compile. Yeah. Now it's perfect. You can also get rid of this one. Let's do that also. So go to the content drawer, master menu widget, graph, and if you have here if construct, then for instance you can see break this link and open notification, break this link, compile, and now it's not there anymore. Makes it a bit easier life. Click on restaurants, pizzeria, you go to Ede, Hotel de Wereld, you are back in Wageningen. You click on shops, you can click on shops, and that's approximately it. So if we now want to build, you can just click on platforms, Windows, package project. For instance, I will first save it. And then you have made your own 3D map. Thank you very much for watching.